appellate court in San Francisco has actually ruled disgraced Theranos CEO Elizabeth Holmes must report to prison.
Yeah, she was trying to stay out of prison while her case was being appealed, but that's not going to happen. KRON 4's Will Tran live in San Jose with the story. Will?
That's right, James. So it's not a question anymore of if she will go to prison, but now it's when. And the judge that oversaw her case right behind me that lasted 46 days, that judge will now decide when she will report to prison. He already did that. She was supposed to report on April 27th, but then she filed the appeal, I should say, and that was basically a Hail Mary. That gave her 3 extra weeks to stay out of prison, but the appeals court late last night decided, no, you don't have enough to stay out of prison while you appeal the conviction, so you have to go to prison. The question now is where. The judge in the case has already decided Texas, but that has not been ultimately agreed upon just yet by all the parties involved, the federal authorities. As far as Elizabeth Holmes, you might recall that she dropped out at 19 years old from Stanford, started Theranos, which was a company that promised to do all kinds of tests with just a few drops of your blood, detect diseases. It was so popular that she was the darling of Silicon Valley. Theranos was worth about $9 billion, had all kinds of investors pumping money in, including Rupert Murdoch, Safeway, Walgreens. Prosecutors say the problem was it never did what it promised, and she knew that, and that's why she was convicted back in January of 2022. So it's been 17 months since she's even been in prison or has gone to prison. Now she will. And James, Raina, another loss for her. Well, the judge in the case also decided that you will have to repay about $452 million to all of those investors. Holmes says she's broke. She spent millions of dollars in her case. She does not have the money to repay them back. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Will.